In this video, I'm going to show you 3 secret ways to get Nano Banana absolutely free. The last method is the real game changer. It unlocks unlimited access. You'll be able to create any kind of image you want, edit them just by typing prompts, and even design product ads or YouTube thumbnails in minutes. This is hands down the most powerful AI image generator and editor I've seen so far. Opportunities like this don't stay around forever, so make sure you watch to the end to grab it before it's gone. And if you love AI tools like this, don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. First, open Google Chrome and search for Gemini. Click the first website. You'll see a new image tool inside Gemini. You can top up and upload your image to start editing. Let's try it. I'm uploading a photo now. The girl is looking to the side, but I want her to face forward with a smile. So I type, turn the girl face to straight with smile. Look at that. It's generating and wow, the facial details are perfect. Now let's change the background. I type, change the background to a New York street at evening. Look at this magic. It's insanely realistic. That's the basics. Now let's move to the second tool. Next, open Google AI Studio. After logging in, click Try Nano Banana. Upload your image. I started with a man and a Coca-Cola can, and we're merging them. Look at that realism. Now for a bigger challenge, 2 people in a restaurant. So I type, change the environment to a street-side open air. And just like that, it works flawlessly. The clothes, the glasses, the details, it all stayed intact. Unreal. Let's make a YouTube thumbnail next. Pick one, copy the link, download it in Chrome, and upload it here. I want to change the logo from Grok to Google VO. Boom, the output is perfect. This is the real power of Nano Banana. And here's the ultimate free tool. Go to Chrome, search LM Arena AI, and open the dashboard. Click Direct Chat. You'll see ChatGPT 5, Grok 3, Claude, Gemini Pro, and more. Click Gemini 2.5 Flash, then upload an image. I uploaded a girl in black and want to change her outfit to a wedding dress. Hit Generate, and look at that! Absolutely stunning! The possibilities are endless. Go try it. It's completely free. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates and save or share this video